Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Chemical Engineer. So I am Sai Yadav and we are discussing our course on petroleum refining. Okay, so before starting the video, let me tell you that if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it. It will help me and in turn it will help you also. Okay, so in last video we have seen various refineries in India. So in this video we are going to see the composition of petroleum and what are the raw materials and what are different types of petroleum present in refinery. Okay, so composition of petroleum. So petroleum is actually a mixture of hydrocarbons as well as some non-hydrocarbon elements are also present in it. So those non-hydrocarbon elements will include small quantity of oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, vanadium, nickel and chromium, as well as some other phosphorus or some other type of elements are also present in the petroleum. So which type of petroleum we are discussing? So this is a raw petroleum. Okay, so if someone asks you what type of petroleum have this all components, so you should answer raw petroleum, which is unprocessed petroleum. Okay, so small differences in composition can greatly affect the physical properties. So those physical property which we are going to study from the next video, and processing required to the production marketable product. Okay, so this is what we will study in the next video. Now let us see wait a minute. Okay, so now let us see different types of uh, properties or different types of petroleum or different types of compounds present in petroleum. So generally in petroleum refining, crude petroleum is divided into three components: paraffin, naphthens and aromatics. So what are paraffins? So paraffin are the single chain compounds, or we can say a compound having a single linear chain. Okay, so those type of compounds are paraffins. Naphthens are the compound that have a chain that is saturated chain, or which we can say a single bond is present, but it is cyclic in nature. Okay, so like we have cyclohexane. Okay, so this is a cyclohexane having a cyclic chain. Okay, so these are naphthens and paraffins, both are saturated compounds, while aromatics, so aromatics are the compounds which are generally unsaturated, or we can say a derivative of benzenes. Okay, so this unsaturation or double bond presence are, those are the compounds known as aromatics. So those compounds are also present in petroleum or raw petroleum, we can say. Okay, so olefins are generally not present in crude oil, however they are formed during processing by the dehydrogenation of paraffins and naphthens. So olefins are the compounds having a double bond. Okay, so those compounds are generally not present during the in the crude oil. Okay, so those compounds are generally formed by dehydrogenation of paraffins and naphthens. So by you should mark or you should note it down that olefins are generally not present in crude oil. So this may become a MCQ for GATE exam as well. Okay, as well as for diploma, as well as for chemical engineer. So olefins are not present in crude oil. Next, olefins are generally undesirable because they have double bond, and double bond, as we all are chemical engineer, have studied chemistry, we know that the reactivity of double bond is more, or it is much more compared to the single bond. So those compounds that is having double bond are not desired in finished product. And the compounds, these olefins are having double bonds, so as they are more reactive, they may form polymerization, or they may polymerize and form oxidized product. So that is why they are not desired. And they may also form gum and varnishes. So what are those gums and varnishes? That we will study in the tests that are required for presence of gum. Okay. So olefin containing 5 carbon atom have high reaction rate. As we all know, 6 carbon is benzene, 5 carbon is, we can say, pentene or something like that. So why 5 carbon atom have high reaction rate? You have to answer this. I will give you a hint. So that is related to the composition of petrol. Okay, so that is the hint. So if you know the answer, just comment in the comment section. Then they may also create pollution. Those 5 carbon ring compounds may create pollution as well. Okay. And high octane number, research octane number, that we will discuss in the subsequent lecture. What is research octane number, what is motor octane number, and so on. Okay. As well as diolefins. So when two olefins combine, they may form diolefin. They are very undesirable. Okay. So what things are desired? That is depending on the type of raw material or type of crude that we are getting. So in the next video we will discuss in depth about the which compounds of the paraffins and naphthens are desired, which compounds of aromatics are desired, and when or why these diolefins are desired, or they may are undesired, in which conditions. Okay. So this video is just to give you a brief that what are paraffins, naphthens, aromatics. So you should have clear understanding what compounds are known as paraffin, what compounds are known as naphthens, and what compounds are known as aromatics. Similarly, why olefins are not present. Similarly, you should know what diolefins do. They may create plugging problem. Okay, so plugging is something that is related to the membrane. So they may create plugging problem as well. There are many type of naphthens present in a crude oil, but except for lower molecular such as cyclopentane are generally not handled. Okay, so next video we will see what are different types of points, that is pour point and all. Okay, so please stay connected and please share this video as well. So if the audience number is increasing, it will be good for me to, it will be good for you as well to understand easily. More number of doubts will create clear concepts. Okay, so I end this video here. Please watch the full series, it will help you. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, bye bye.